Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're often asked about all the different types of garage flooring we can offer. There's lots of different ranges and colours, so we thought we'd put together a video showing you some of those options and also feature some of our celebrity clients.
So we're all finished. My garage floor has been completed by Garage Style Limited, and as expected, the finish is unbelievable. I could not be happier with it. It's such a clean look that we've gone for. Lovely. Is it the dark grey that?
Dark grey, yeah.
Dark grey. Oh, as soon as I saw it, I knew that was the one I wanted. And then they've put the car logos, well, the vehicle logos, in there as well. These are the touches. These are the details. That little touch of class. It was what sold it for me, really. I was looking around, and these boys, the way they do these touches, it just made it an easy decision, and I'm not disappointed. I'm a happy customer. If you need your garage floor doing, look no further than Garage Style Limited.
Done it again. Big up the boys at Garage Styles. It's my second garage. This is looking sick.
Right, so that's us all finished. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to drop a comment, let us know what you think of this flooring. Don't forget to subscribe, because we've got lots of videos coming every 4 days at the moment, and we'll see you on the next video.